Have you eaten?
No, but I am not hungry.
Where do you come from?
I come from Australia.
Are you single?
No, I have a boyfriend.
How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
I ate cookies for breakfast.
I will never tell.
Did you read my message?
No, I'm sorry I was busy.
I have many friends in foreign countries.
Do you visit them often?
Are you hurt?
Nothing serious.
How much is the total?
Your total is $1,600.
Where were you born?
I was born in Italy.
We'll be on time, won't we?
I hope so.
What's your first name?
Emily.
Don't be so angry.
I'm not angry. I am sad.
Approximately how much is your budget?
My budget is $1,000.
What do you want to do tonight?
I would like to go see a movie.
Where would you like to go?
To the beach, please.
May I ask you a question?
With pleasure.
What's that?
It's a pencil.
Do you like meat or seafood?
I prefer beef.
Do you usually have lunch alone?
I often eat lunch sitting at my desk.
Which do you think I should choose?
I don't have an opinion.
Where were you last week?
I was in Tokyo.
How wide is this bridge?
21 meters.
What did the doctor say?
He says I need medicine and sleep.
How much is it?
$100.
Can you drive a car?
I am still learning how to drive a car.
Were you busy yesterday?
I was very busy at work and at home.
How may I help you?
I want to get a beauty parlor.
How was your trip to Spain?
It was perfect and beautiful.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
How was business?
It's going well.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is London.
Do you feel like eating out tonight?
Yes.
What happened?
She got in a car accident.
What's your friend's name?
His name is Sarah.
What do you think I should do?
You should ask your dad.
Who told you?
My friend told me about her problem.
Is this the file you're looking for?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Will you turn on the TV?
Sure. What channel?
What did he say?
He said he is from Canada.
Is it okay to just order drinks?
No, you have to order food too.
Would you open the door for me, please?
Sure. Let me help you.
Is there anything wrong with that?
No, everything is okay.
How do you feel about this one?
This one is better than the first one.
Do you have any friends in Canada?
No, I don't know anyone there.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Sure.
What time do you get up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you take out the trash?
Yes, every day.
Why don't you get up?
Today, I already had a rest and I want to get more sleep.
How to write your name?
Like this.
Can I pay it by credit card?
Sorry, we only take cash.
Did you order the birthday cake?
No, not yet.
Do you fix the time?
Yes, we will meet at 3 p.m. at Starbucks.
How are you now?
I am fine and I can leave the hospital next week.
Who is the man in the picture?
He is my father.
What's wrong with you?
I'm feeling a little bit uncomfortable.
Did you drive yourself?
Yes.
Do you have time after work?
I have to pick up my child.
How old is your grandfather?
87 years old.
How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight and turn right and you can see it.
Do you know him well?
Not really. I have only met him twice.
Where will you go on summer vacation?
I have no idea now.
May I take a picture here?
You can do it.
What time can you arrive?
Please don't wait for me. You can go first.
How heavy is the box?
About 19 kilograms.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have an older brother and a younger sister.
When will you come?
About 9 p.m.
Is it cold in winter in your country?
No, not too much.
Did he tell you the meeting time tomorrow?
Yes, we will meet at 6 p.m.
Why don't you go to work today?
We have a vacation today.
How much are these?
It was not expensive, just over 40.
Did you go to Berlin?
No, we didn't go there.
Have you finished your homework?
No, I want to eat first before I do it.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was great.
Do you do any sports?
I go to work by bike every day.
How was your flight?
It was not bad.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because I want to find a good job.
What time are you coming home?
Around 6 o'clock.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I only have one sister.
How long did they live in England?
They were there for 8 years.
May I have a look at the watch?
Sure.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you need any help?
Please call an ambulance.
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
I love tea.
How long will you be staying?
1 week.
Do you think English is hard, W?
I have been learning English for 3 years.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How was your day?
Good.
When are we going to meet up?
I will be home next week.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
I have won a few awards.
Don't be so modest.
The cat is very cute.
Her name is Fluffy.
Do you often go to restaurants for dinner?
Many nights a week I go to restaurants.
Do you know the reason?
I think she ran out of money.
Do you think it fits okay?
Yes, it looks terrific.
What kinds of fruit do you like the best?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Where can I find a supermarket?
Just around the corner.
How many people can fit in your helicopter?
5.
What do you want to do on vacation?
I would like to go fishing if possible. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!